in some situations where you do not just want to execute one statement after another, and also you have to control the flow of execution. Usually, this means that you want to execute some code if a condition is fulfilled. In that case, control flow statements are implemented within our program. Let us go through some of the conditional statements. If statement. An if statement consists of a Boolean expression followed by one or more statements. As you can see here, if you just pass the condition, if the condition is true, then it will print. If the condition is false, it won't print. And here we will add our statements for the condition. Here we will add our expression, then we'll print our output over here. Let's try with the if statement in R. Let's add an integer. We all know if you want to convert any number to integer, just add capital L. Let's try to check whether the given x is an integer or not. So we will start if in the bracket I will give the condition is dot integer x. This is it. Integer of x. Then I'll add a curly braces and I'll print my answer. So it will be print in strings x is an integer. Save your work. Let's do control enter. We'll check whether it is an integer or not. Yes, it is an integer. Let's see with some another value of x. Let's print x. We'll use a decimal value 56.8. That's 2 now. I'll use this also the same. Try to print now. As you can see, the output is not printed. If it is not an integer, it will not print any output. Let me just add a comment over here. Using decimal values. Checking whether the given number is integer or not. Let's try something else. So let's put two numbers now. X1 as 50, X2 as 70. Let me just give it a small number. Let's give it a 20. So I want to check whether the sum of x1 x2 is greater than 60 or not. So it will be if pass your condition. So here it will be x1 plus x2 greater than let me skip it as 60. So now I'll print my answer. print the sum of two numbers is more than 60. Let's try to print now. Here you can see the sum of two numbers is more than 60. Let's try to see if this number is more than 100 or not. Let's do Control C. So again this will be changed. Again 60 will be changed to 100. If I print this, so nothing will be printed because the numbers are not more than 100. Just save your work.